Hello everyone, my name is Chi and I'm a member of the AEC Digital Construction Integration team at Pentagon Solutions. In this short video, I'm going to talk to you about the interesting concept of using Dynamo for solar radiation analysis in design. And we will discover how it can encourage the way we harness the power of the sun for energy efficiency. Solar energy is a clean and rich source of power, critical for sustainable building practices. Harnessing the sun's energy not only reduces energy costs, but also contributes to a greener, more eco-friendly future. Computational design with Dynamo takes this to a new level, enabling architects and engineers to optimize solar energy generation in ways that traditional methods cannot. And here at Pentagon, we can provide the leading BIM offering software Revit, which can help your organization leverage its design's capability. We can also train your team on how to use Dynamo for Revit effectively, and assist you with implementing computational design into your existing workflows. Dynamo allows architects and engineers to integrate solar radiation analysis seamlessly into their design processes. It can achieve precise, efficient, and sustainable solar energy solutions. By harnessing the computational power, designers can create and analyze complex solar radiation models, leading to optimal solar energy strategies. Designers and engineers can create the Dynamo script to start analyzing the sun's path throughout the day and even the year. It processes the architectural models and identifies areas where solar radiation or solar panels can be most effective. This step ensures that windows and even solar panels are positioned for maximum sun exposure, leading to more efficient energy generation. This script is broken down into 3 different steps, and these include inputs, where we look for selected elements, and this can change accordingly per project. The functions, where we tell the software what we want to do, and outputs, which is how we want this information to be generated as. This interactive process allows for the fine-tuning of solar energy strategies, ensuring that the design aligns with its sustainability goals. And Dynamo's strength lies in its ability to provide data-driven insights. Architects and engineers can showcase how different solar energy strategies can impact energy production, return on investment, and environmental benefits. Here at Pentagon Solutions, we can help customers set up efficient collaboration and data management processes whilst implementing this data to be used in Dynamo. Moving over to the Revit part of the video, for this Dynamo script, we need to get some preparations done first. To prepare, we will need to jump into the family creation side of things. And in the background, you can see that I have already created a parametric curtain wall panel that will open or close depending on the amount of sun intake. Once preparations are done, we can now start our project. And first, we will need to draw our curtain wall with the curtain wall panel implemented. We can now use our developed script with Revit's Dynamo player feature. Depending on what file path you have on your machine, we can select the script to run. Dynamo enables real-time simulation and performs testings of various solar energy scenarios. Designers can adjust parameters like sun orientation, shading, and local weather conditions to see how they impact energy generation. This not only helps with the decision-making process, but also facilitates better communication with clients and stakeholders. Dynamo's role in solar radiation analysis can transform the way we approach architectural design. It's a combination of art and science that empowers us to create spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also inherently sustainable. With our consultancy services, Pentagon can help your customers optimize their design workflows using computational design. This includes workflow analysis, customizations, and integration with other technologies. To learn more about Dynamo, check out our one-day Introduction to Dynamo for Revit training courses. We also have over 10 Revit courses available, which covers disciplines such as architecture, electrical, plumbing, structure, HVAC, and model review and construction documentation. This video concludes our series on a smarter, safer, and more sustainable AEC. Be sure to check out any episodes you've missed and keep your eyes peeled for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe to be kept up to date with future videos, and you can follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter.